Alright guys, back for another video. Hey, guess what? We got the king of the cul-de-sac today, baby. We got the king of the cul-de-sac that we're cooking today, baby. Bone-in ribeye. Bone-in ribeye by far has to be one of the best things on earth to eat. And that's what we're cooking today, baby. So y'all stay tuned right here on the Roll and Grill Barbecue. Yeah, boy! Alright, so let's get into it. Simple. You already know it's simple when it comes to a ribeye. We're doing straight kosher salt, kosher salt, pepper, and we got some cayenne pepper in here as well. On both sides of the steak. This is about maybe about a half-inch thick bone-in ribeye. And we're doing both sides, same way, man. Same way. Take the sides, and whatever else you got left over, dress it out with that. That's it, man. This is man's food right here, man. Man or woman food. This is the king of the cul-de-sac, baby. Bone-in ribeye. Y'all stay tuned. All right, if you watched our scallop video, same setup. Cast iron skillet, beautiful Blackstone griddle. And we're going in. We're gonna do a 50-50 combination. Olive oil with some unsalted butter. That's our combo right there. Steak's on soon. Stay tuned. All right, skillet's hot. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit. And you know when your skillet's hot enough, I actually want it to start smoking a little bit. Once it starts to smoke a little bit, then I know I've got the right amount of heat to get this steak cooked. All right, this Blackstone, man, it's a number of uses, man. Like I say, I want to capture all of my juices from this steak. That's why I'm cooking it in this cast iron skillet. Other than that, I would have cooked it right on the Blackstone griddle. But I got plans for the au jus that's coming off the steak, so let's go in. Push it down. Turn my heat up. We're gonna let it go for about 3 minutes. We'll see what the color looks like, and we'll go from there. Y'all stay tuned. All right, I threw in 2 pieces of garlic to go along with it, and that thing is sizzling, man. That's some beautiful eating, man. Bone-in ribeye, baby. Yeah, boy. Cast iron skillet, the only way to roll. All right. Let's see what it look like. It's been about 3 minutes. See if we got some good color. Yeah, boy, we got some good color. Look at that. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that, man. Another 3 minutes on this side, and we should be good to go. Now, since I got good color on this side, I'm gonna cut my heat down, all the way down. Cast iron gets extremely hot, so you don't, once you get the presentation side, cut it down and just allow the other side to cook for 3 minutes, and then it's ready to roll. All right, we've taken our steak off. Gonna put some foil over it. Let it rest for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back with the grand finale. Yeah, boy. All right, something else we're gonna do before we lose all our heat. If you've never tried it, please give it a try. Take you some chopped cilantro and run it through your pan and kind of let it crisp up and brown up a little bit. And let me tell you something. This is gonna add a beautiful taste to that steak. Watch what I tell you. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Now is time for the grand finale. Our steak. It has rested for 5 minutes. Let's put it on our cutting board. Let's take those beautiful juices. We'll use those later. This is our beautiful steak. I don't even know if you can clearly see it like you need to, but that's a beautiful steak right there. And so let's go ahead and plate it up. Ugly cutting board, beautiful steak. So first things first, I'm gonna go around this little bone. All right. And our grains are running this way. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on the cutting. Beautiful, man. I was shooting from anywhere between a medium rare and a medium. Anything over that for me is a no-go. Beautiful spinellus. It's a big piece of fat right there, but we're gonna go through it. And so let's see what we got.